So now this can be rewritten as, now suppose if you provide r is equal to root of a square plus b square, now square root of a plus ib becomes plus or minus x. X is root of r plus a by 2, okay, plus I root of r minus a by 2, providing r is equal to mod z, modulus of z. So now how to find out square root of a minus ib? What is a minus ib? A minus ib is nothing but conjugate of a plus ib. So the square root of a minus ib also conjugate of this one. So similarly we can write square root of a minus ib is equal to plus or minus root of r plus a by 2, just only sign change, minus I under root of r minus a by 2. So that will be r minus a by 2, where r is equal to root of a square plus b square. So in this manner we can find out square roots of a complex numbers. So now let us have a discussion on the different forms of a complex number. So different forms of a complex number means, so far we know one form. What is that form? Z is equal to a plus ib, or it may be written as a order pair a comma b form. This is nothing but Cartesian form, because a comma b is a actually point where a lies on x axis, that is the real axis, b is on y axis, that is the unreal axis, that is imaginary axis. So so this how to change, this is mod amplitude form, or trigonometric form, or polar form. That means how to convert this a plus ib into mod amplitude form or trigonometric form or polar form. So in order to change this Cartesian form into the other form, these forms, only here we require two concepts. One is modulus of a complex number, and other one is we have to discuss amplitude or argument, both are same. Now let us have a discussion argument or amplitude of a complex number. For Z, let us say for this one only. Okay, now argument is shortly we can write arg of Z. Amplitude also we can write shortly amp of Z. So now what is argument of Z? Here argument of Z is given by tan inverse of b by a. Here tan inverse of b stands for imaginary part of Z by this is real part of Z. This gives us the argument of Z. Same amplitude also same, both are same, arg Z or amp Z. So first some properties of these arguments. See, arg Z1 into Z2 this is nothing but arg z1 plus arg z2. What is argument of z1 by z2? That is arg z1 minus arg z2. These formulae are very important while solving the problems. What is arg z bar? Arg z bar is equal to minus arg z. Suppose the arg z is theta, that will be minus theta. Arg z bar is minus of arg z. So now mod amplitude form. This z is equal to a plus ib can be written in the form of cos theta plus I sin theta multiplied by, we can write r, where r is equal to root of a square plus b square and theta is equal to tan inverse b by a. So now this cos theta plus I sin theta can also be written shortly for our convenience cis theta. So in most of the problems, I generally, instead of writing cos theta plus I sin theta, we write short form, that is the cis theta form. So here some properties on this one. Cis of theta 1 into cis of theta 2. Cis theta 2, that is cis of theta 1 plus theta 2. Cis theta 1 into cis theta 2 into cis theta 3 equal to cis of theta 1 plus theta 2 plus theta 3. So it can be generalized. Cis of cis theta 1 into cis theta 2 so on multiplied with cis theta n. This is cis of theta 1 plus theta 2 plus theta 3 plus and so on plus theta n. Similarly, here cis of theta 1 by theta 2. This is cis of theta 1 minus theta 2.